Hey guys, today I will show you 5 different secret codes to open TCL TV Service menu. You can gain access to hidden service menu using following codes. It's recommended to take pictures before changing the default values. If you put wrong values, your TV may not work again. Firstly, press settings button from remote. Then go to picture settings. Now scroll down to contrast. We will enter the first code here for factory service menu. Press 9735 on the contrast. If this doesn't work, press 6428. A service menu will appear on the screen. You can do any settings of your choice. Code 2 is for general design menu. Press 1950 on contrast setting. Third code is used to open subsection of service menu. Press 9705 on contrast. Now the fourth code is I'm sharing is used to open subsection of hotel menu. Press 6405 on contrast settings. Now I will share the last code, that is fifth one. It is used to check total running time of your TV. Press 6425 on contrast. Does these codes work for you? Leave a comment, like the video if this helps, and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.